How to check watch history on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on Account Center. In Account Center, you will find all these options pop up. Simply click on Your Information and Permissions, which is the third option. Click on Download Your Information. Then click on Download or Transfer. Then select your Instagram, press on Next. Click on All Available Information. Click on Download the device. Simply select your email to notify. You can also select date range and then press on Create File. This will be done after some days or some hours, and you will be able to download your information. From here you can check your watch history. This is how to check watch history on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophie signing off.